In this video, we will talk about how to withdraw money from Stake to Cash App. So in order to do this, what we can do is we need to head over first to our stake.com and then click onto this wallet option. Now we have in here our balance. Click onto this withdraw option and then just input right here the amount that you want to withdraw. And as you can see, it's asking for my TRX address. So for this one, we will be using some applications. Let's head over to our Binance. Let's click onto this receive option and then just choose TRX from the cryptocurrency list. It will provide you an actual wallet address that you can head over and paste right here into your actual TRX address. Click on this to verify with Google, and then once you have done that, it will be verified and you can now click on this withdraw. Now, in here into your actual Binance, what you can do is you can head over and then click onto this transfer option and then transfer the cryptocurrency that you received from Stake into your bank account. Now, once it's been on your bank account, next thing you need to do is you just need to head over right here to our Cash App. And then from in there, just add your bank using your debit card. Just add a debit card number, expiration, and 3-digit CVV. Once you have added your bank account information into your Cash App, you can head over and add some cash. So you can add any cash options from here. So for example, you can top up $10. And then once you have enough cash balance in your Cash App, you can head over and proceed to buy Bitcoin. Take note that Cash App can only buy Bitcoin and not your X, but in some ways your money will be head over and be transferred to the actual Cash App instead of putting over right there into others' devices.